In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Stardew Valley on the Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do is open up the Nintendo Store or the Nintendo eShop and look for Stardew Valley. As you can see, currently it is on sale, but the usual price is $15. You will be able to purchase the game and download it immediately from the Nintendo Store. You will be able to play and experience the game up to 4 players, and as long as you purchase it from the digital store, everything will be supported. Sadly, I don't have the means to record a Nintendo Switch screen, so I'm gonna show you some gameplay on PC. But keep in mind that the game is exactly the same on the Switch. I'm just recording on my computer because, like I mentioned, I don't have a Switch available to me at the moment. After you purchase it from the store, open it up and you will be able to select New to start a new farm. You can go ahead and name your character, your farm, your favorite thing, and customize your appearance to your own liking. Like I said, I'm only doing this video to demonstrate some gameplay, so I'm gonna skip the intro, but I highly recommend that you go ahead and watch everything. They are very pretty, and once you are done, you will be loaded immediately into your first farm. You will be taught how to play. As you can see, the instructions are over here on the left, and you will be able to acquire your first seeds and start your farm. Follow the instructions on screen and check your journal over here at the top right, and you will get instructions on what to do and how to play. Greet people, invite your friends, and you will be able to play through the entirety of Stardew Valley on the Nintendo Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Stardew Valley on the Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.